so hard that I keep burning. So lit, I confirm it. Already so high, now let's get more lit, more lit. Like a furnace. Pilot light so high that I keep burning. So lit, I confirm it. Already so high, now let's get more lit, more.
Smoking on a la-la, or some kush that'll make a nigga fly. Got me feeling psychedelic like a sci-fi. Run a bunch of pretty women and some my ties. Smoke with a young nigga. Gorilla Ghoul, have you coughing up a lung, nigga? Bong hits to have you drooling at the tongue, nigga. Have you beating on your chest like a drum, nigga? Gray clouds, fat as fuck. Big bag of green tryna match your butt. Party full of honeys with they asses up. Quick baby saying, nigga, pass that blunt. Notorious, they got to know that. On my 97 shit, nothing but throwbacks. Like that green, little homie, let's smoke that. You got a bag of trees, little nigga, let's roll that. And this is one love. Junior Reed, homie, one blood. This is weed, nigga, not drugs. All we really wanna do is smoke good. With the bloods and the Crips, we in both us. With the browns and the blacks like we both should. Getting money over bitches like the old should. So hood with my veteran squad. Eating ice house stool, never messing with law. DEA never swept me with a medical card. Puffing on a fast clip, got me closer with God.
Like a furnace. Pilot light so high that I keep burning. So lit, I confirm it. Already so high, now let's get more lit, more lit. Like a furnace. Pilot light so high that I keep burning. So lit, I confirm it. Already so high, now let's get more lit, more.
Mary Jane, my mistress. Can't complain, I hit that. Can't explain the impact. Started with a 10 sack, yeah. Tried to leave and went back. FedEx plug, I sent packs. Been dabbing, did wax. Put it in my zigzags and my backwoods. Ain't no question that pack good. You can't roll it like Fash could. Connoisseur, so gutter, I'm connoisseur. Shaw maneuver with misfits and marijuana users. Plenty being used, trying to sue us. No one said him cannot burn. Still, high as fuck, I probably kick the cloud. My gravity, the shit can get me down. I'm a politic and twist the pound. Stand on top of it like it's a mound. Chipped up, no Frito-Lay. I got THC in my DNA. And the doc say that I'll be okay if I smoke a OZ a day. Roger that. Johaz, where Dodgr at? They say I'm not attached to my ganja. It's just not a fact, you ain't gotta ask. If I burn it, pass
like
that, homie.
Furnace. Pilot light so high that I keep burning. So lit, I confirm it. Already so high, now let's get more lit, more lit. Like a furnace. Pilot light so high that I keep burning. So lit, I confirm it. Already so high, now let's get more lit, more.
When I walk, Huey Newton with a Malcolm X with a conk. From California to the Bronx, you hear the call and response. Are you down to make it pop? I mean, actually blow. Are you down to plant a seed? I mean, actually grow. Illuminate from within and just immaculately glow. Not this watered down bullshit, this package is sold. Are you down to save a soul? Down to save an ally? 100 black pastors and 100 white rabbis. 100 Muslim brothers showing love on the standby. Unify our vote and we'll win by a landslide. You feel me? Put your hands high. Something like you reaching the solar. Flow colder than a mink on a polar. Some say they praising Allah, others speak to Jehovah. Like we moving too fast, one blink and it's over. Unified like a Moja, say a prayer for our leaders. Speak that Uchi Chakali and watch it bang through the speakers. To help you up from the ground. Take a journey through the mind and find yourself if you're down.
I'm a rebel with a cause, down for revolution, down for the re-education of Huey Newton. Even though I ain't even get to Isaac Newton or the Middle East where guys be shooting, the revolution is recruiting. Not so many of my brothers suited, makes me start to look a little stupid. Do your troop suit fit? Do your boots need lacing? What we really need is one native ruling the nation, not as reservations for your conservations. We finna win with peace, we don't need to conquer nations like they did. Killing is a villain like Satan. Save men, go to war and pray for them, not spray on them. Every Muslim you know got the K on them, and ain't nobody I know you know about to save them. But everybody know that the US is killing them, it's true. Anybody down to tell the truth?
Inoculation for the black population. Infection is the cure, so my feelings is mixed. Victims of the Hitler turn to Palestine occupations. Good guys and the villains get switched. Look, the illest rappers out, the ones healing the sick. A brick bouncing off the backboard, building the fence you couldn't climb. Put it on and put it in my rhymes. Put the stank inside the blitty, then put it in the sky where the mind meet the wisdom. Heaven meet the ghetto. We was in the realm where divine beings living. Skin shaded brown, but my mind colored down. Body is the free, but your mind be in prison. Let's start a revolution. A mind sitting idols, a mind the devil's using. That's woke shit. Knowing it was written for, I wrote shit. A wise man, know he really don't know shh. Represent the crown if you down.
if you guys can help me out with some of that wacky tobacco. Just I got money.
Like a furnace, pilot light so hard that I keep burning slowly. I confirm it. Already so high, now let's get more lit, more lit. Like a furnace, pilot light so high that I keep burning slowly. I confirm it. Already so high, now let's get more lit, more.
Smoking on a la-la, or some kush that'll make a nigga fly. Got me feeling psychedelic like a sci-fi. Run a bunch of pretty women in some high ties. Smoke with a young nigga. Gorilla Glue, have you coughing up a lung, nigga? Ball get to have you chewing up a lung, nigga. Have you beating on your chest like a drum, nigga? Big bag of green tryna rat your what? Party for the honeys with they asses up. Quit babysitting, nigga, pass that blunt. No, I'm sorry, yes, they got to know that. On my 97 shit, nothing but throwbacks. Like that green, little homie, let's smoke that. You got a bag of trees, little nigga, let's roll that. And this one love, generate, homie, one blood. This is weed, nigga, not drugs. All we really wanna do is smoke good. With the bloods and the crips, we in both us. With the browns and the blacks, like we both should. Getting money over bitches like the old should. So hood with my veteran squad. Eating ice house stool, never messing with law. DEA never sweat me with my medical card. Puffing on a fast spliff, got me closer with God.
Like a furnace, pilot light so hard that I keep burning slowly. I confirm it. Already so high, now let's get more lit, more lit. Like a furnace, pilot light so high that I keep burning slowly. I confirm it. Already so high, now let's get more lit, more.
My mistress. Can't complain, I hit that. Can't explain the impact. Started with a 10 sack, yeah. Tried to leave and went back. FedEx plug, I sent packs. Been dabbing, did wax. Put it in my zigzags and my backwoods. Ain't no question that pack good. You can't roll it like Fash could. Connoisseur, so gutter, I'm connoisseur. Shaw maneuver with misfits. Marijuana users, plenty venues trying to sue us. No one said him cannot burn. Still, high as fuck, I probably kick a cloud like gravity. The shit can get me down. I'm a politic and twist the pound. Stand on top of it like it's a mound. Chipped up, no Frito-Lay. I got THC in my DNA. And Doc say that I'll be okay if I smoke a OZ a day. Roger that. Johaz, where Dodgr at? I think I'm not attached to my ganja. It's just not a fact. You ain't gotta ask if I burn it, burn it.
I was wondering if you guys can help me out with some of that wacky tobacco. Just I got money.